Well, hey family, happy Sunday. I hope everybody is having a really good Sunday and you have had uh, a really good partial weekend. It just seemed like the weekend go by so fast. I'm like, this is crazy. It makes no sense. It was just Friday. I know I was excited about, it being Friday and the weekend coming up. And here it is already Sunday. Like it just literally just zooms by. It's like it's crazy. The week I be excited about because, it's work week and you just ready to get off and have your days and do with your days what you will, right? So I was thinking that this morning, like, man, it's really crazy how fast these days be going by. But anyway, I've been working on men necklaces. Um, I get a lot of requests. I'm sure you guys do too. A lot of requests for men necklaces. Not so much huge beads or the generic look that you see, but just something different. So when men in particular see my pieces, they'll ask that, do you have any men necklaces or men this or that? The bracelets are usually kind of unisex. So, I do sell those to men and women. But I wanted to do some necklaces that was more kind of men. These are still unisex as well. And I didn't videotape these because I wasn't even sure how they was going to come out. So I just kind of sat down and just kind of came up with something, tried to be as masculine as I could making these. And it does seem like sometimes they still come out looking kind of feminine. But I think with these, I did fairly well. I think I did fairly well. So these are two of the men necklaces that I came up with. So I just used wood beads, and then I think these are 9 millimeter. And then I used some of those bone beads you can see up in there. And I like the look that bone beads give. Bone beads just give a real, not necessarily ethnic look, but just a very, I don't know, like quality and fresh look to them. Those little bone beads, like it just adds a nice little touch of flair to anything, when you use these. And then I got some more wood beads right here, the bone beads, and then it just goes up into more wood beads. And then we have, so I really like the way this one came out. Really, really pretty. So then not pretty in the sense of pretty, but just really nice. So we got that one. And then this one, I really like the way this one came out. I like the way they both came out. Let me arrange this on here. I might have to get another one of the displays that's more of a masculine and longer. So I'm going to start looking for one of those. So then we have this one. I really like the way this looks, especially at the bottom down here. So you can see how that would lay on the chest. I like that. This is the wire, the aluminum wire. So all I did was wrap some of the aluminum wire and then put some wood beads and then of course hex nuts. I got an idea in mind for hex nuts for men necklaces. So I'm gonna probably be trying that out later today to see what that looks like. So I do like the way these came out. I like these. I think they look really nice. They look masculine. I think they do. You guys let me know what you think. They're not going to stay on here, but let's do this then. Oh, you can't even see it in the camera. You know what? We are not doing all this. And I'm trying a different angle and stuff with this camera. So these are the necklaces. I like the way they came out. They look masculine. To me, they do. You guys let me know what you think. Because I am going to be making more men, more of the men necklaces. My little table is a mess, so you got to excuse everything everywhere. Y'all know how I do. Don't be acting like y'all don't know. Y'all know Darlene little workspace be a mess. Calm down now. Calm down. Calm down. And I got little containers and stuff all over the place, but it's still beads and stuff all over the place. But I really, really like these. I'm really turned on by these, and it really excites me. I do want to make more, and I'm going to make more. And then this is the thing too. I have a couple of the little crosses that I made using beads. So I am going to make some men necklaces using these crosses as well. And if they come out looking like what I think they're going to come out looking like, and these are in gold, but I have some of the silver wire. It's the aluminum wire, and it is thicker. So I am going to try. I might even go get some silver wire today. I don't know. I'll check and see. To make some more crosses like these, because I really like the way the crosses come out. I got a video showing how to make these too, and I'll link that up in here. But I'm going to use these to make some type of necklaces too. And I can see how that would probably look as a necklace for, you know, a men necklace. Just something really different. Something that's not, you know, like your average everyday type necklaces and, you know, jewelry for men. So that's what I'm working on. And I have been just a little preoccupied with life. I'm just about done with that digital magazine. I should have had it out. Well, I think I'm kind of like on schedule. So around the 26th or 27th, the digital magazine is still coming out. I'm a little behind on it, but I'm just about done with it. And I really like these, and I do have more of these masks, so I am going to be using more of these as well for the men necklaces. I just like the way these really, really look. And then I'm going to use these with the 20 millimeter beads. So I'm going to go ahead and paint some of those. Paint some black, some brown, maybe some that'll be the cappuccino color. But I really like the way these look. But anyway, Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. All the new subscribers. I know I have been missing in action. I do know that. But life has been life, right? And I do hope that there's enough videos on here for you to stay inspired, stay encouraged. If making jewelry is something that you're doing and you're looking for jewelry making ideas, I hope there's enough on here to give you enough ideas, you know, to keep creating. Or if you just like watching the videos, hopefully there's enough videos on here for you to watch and keep watching and enjoying and maybe learning something from, may not every video, but just about every video, right? Be sure to comment, be sure to like, and then I wanted to thank everybody too for their voice of condolences and all that good stuff, and I think that's it. Let's have a good day, a productive day, and if God says so, a productive week. And guess what, family? We'll talk.